Chef Anthony here from Don's Appliances. I have avocados. I'm just going to show you the quick and easy way to get the fresh, amazing avocado meat out of here, but also to preserve it. I got two ways for you. One is in water, one is in lime. So I have a small, normal avocado, and then I have the Haas avocado, the bigger ones that you see, and you're like, I don't know if I should get those. Well, get them now. I'll show you how to preserve them. First and foremost, we want to take a nice sharp knife, and we want to just put a little slit right here, okay? Just like that. This keeps it from rolling. Any type of rolled item that you need to cut or carve, this is the best way. So now it stays put. We're gonna go right in here and pierce that first layer and just go all the way around. See how I'm doing it just like this with the knife? Let the knife do all the work, and it should go right back to the original spot. See that? Give it a quick twist. Perfect. This is always the hardest part. A lot of people get stumped here. You know, you could slam your knife down here, kind of get that edge in here and pop it out. That's the way I like to do it. And then they're like, what do I do with this? Don't cut your finger, just go like that. See that? Just hit the side. Keep this, transplant it, do whatever you got to do with it. Now, this perfect avocado will not last. It will oxidize. It will turn brown. Best way is just submerge it in some cold water. Look at that. I know, mind blown. There's no lime, there's no acidity in there, just in water like that. Pop a lid on it, put it in a Tupperware, put it in your fridge for salad time. First and foremost, easy. Big guy, same thing. We're just gonna go right in. Look how fun this is. Once again, let the knife do the work, let it come back to you. Give it that twist. Whoa, right? Whoa. Check that out too, right? This, I worry about doing this. So I take the point of this knife and I just try and pick it up ever so gently. Look at that. Nice and easy. Look at the difference in that. Whew. So this guy, you know, you're going to need a lot of water for. You know, you could do it as well. It'll do the same thing, but I'll show you another quick tip. Take a little lime, sprinkle some lime juice right over top of it, and take this, lay it flat, and rub it. This will not only season it, but it will preserve it very nicely, okay? So you won't see any oxidation. You could do a lemon as well, but 90% of the time, avocado and lime go hand in hand as best friends. So two ways, two different avocados. Keep them preserved, keep them that bright green color. If you want to cut these, my easiest way is to take the knife again, keep them in this. Look at this. Go right down, but don't go through. Pierce it 3/4 of the way. Look at that. How nice. And then I'd really take a spoon, go like this. Love it. Take it all the way around, and it'll release it from the skin. It's pretty cool. Look at that. Very nice avocados. Helps when they're ripe. That's another thing. I kept them in a paper bag for 3 days. So keep in a paper bag if they're hard, because they will ripen and mature. Look at that. Beautiful avocados, sliced, preserved, ready to roll. Hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much.